Hi, this one is another PDF invoice, and from this particular invoice, we need to extract data like invoice metadata and line items. And this one is entirely different than the previous ones. Let me explain why. If you look into this, we have line items like this is style and color. It's not repeated it only once, okay, for all the size. And then size has like all the different sizes, and also it doesn't have any grid line, you can see. And this particular invoice has line items in 10 different pages. This one is the first page, this one is the second page, this one is the third page, this one is the fourth page, and so on. And as this doesn't have any grid line, it doesn't have all the style repeated for all the sizes, it was a little bit complex. So we need to extract all these line items. We need to extract metadata like invoice number, due date, and invoice date, and total amount. So let me show you. If I just run this, then I get SQ, that is the style number, color. So style number, color, and size, and then description, unit of measurement, quantity, unit price, and line price. And that's the line items part of this one. And let me show you the metadata. So I get this metadata, invoice number, invoice date, invoice due date, and total amount. So that is this one, and this two information, and the final due amount. That is this one. And that's it. If you need help for PDF automation, doesn't matter if it's 1 or 1000 PDFs, send me a message. Have a good day.